Hey guys, for today's videos, andito ako ngayon sa Pink and White Aesthetic Clinic, City Gate, Buhangin. Kasi magpapagluta drip ako. Tsaka i-avail ko yung slimming package ko. Kasi tapos na ako nag-M-Scalp last week. So slimming package na naman tayo this week. Nawala talaga yung abs ko guys dahil sa holiday last December. Unang nilagay itong lipo-laser pads. It penetrates the skin targeting the fat cells, the subcutaneous layer. So kailangan natin magpa-fresh for this new year. Dapat fit and sexy pa din tayo guys. Yan na magsa-start na si ate. Slimming machine are non-invasive and painless. They can be used to contour the body and reduce the appearance of cellulite. Nilalagyan muna siya ng gel guys kasi mainit siya pag walang gel. Same din sa diode hair laser tsaka yung RF sa face. Kailangan din ng gel na ganito para hindi mo ma-feel yung init guys. Etong ginawa naman ni ate ngayon guys is the lipocavitation. Pagkatapos ng lipo-laser pads, it is more power energy to consume fat cells and effective in slimming with its hot ultrasound and vibration technique. So 15 minutes to ginagawa guys. Then 15 minutes din yung lipo-laser pads kanina. And the last one is the vacuum RF. It rejuvenates, tightens, and shape your skin. It can be applied to the whole body or in the face area. It can lift and firm the skin. 15 minutes din to ginagawa. The radio frequency or the RF break down the fat cells and tighten the skin. Hindi lang din full workout ang ginagawa natin guys. Kailangan din natin ng ganito. So thank you Pink and White Aesthetic Clinic for making me look good and sexy. Yung vibration effect niya sa abs natin guys, it can help also to the fat loss. Kung tamad ka mag-abs workout, so eto bagay sa'yo guys. Kaso lang mahal lang siya. May instant result din siya guys. Ihi ka din ng ihi pagkatapos. So see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye!